Mura siyag. Char. Okay ako eh.
Hey Bayhanas! It's me, Issaplease, and welcome back to another video. Naka-wonder ba mo mga Bayhana ngano naagay certain things that were specifically made para sa lalaki ug para sa babay? Sabon, shampoo, deodorant, facial care, and so on and so forth. If ang babae mo gamit sa mga produkto para sa lalaki, mahimo batag mas balhiboon? Manimaho lang batag lalaki? Naabagay difference? I've always been curious about this, and today we're going to find out because for this challenge, I'm only going to use men's products for the entire day. Enjoy!
So today is the start of my trying out men's products for an entire day. Obviously, ligo, punto ng dako, which is normal in our household. Maligo ta, it's a special day. And I'm going to be using the men's shampoo and the men's soap. So I just got out of the shower, fresh na fresh. So far, ako maingon kay wala ba tayo difference? In terms of function, humot lagi hapon akong buhok, nibuwa ang shampoo, hopefully tatangtang akong kaspa.
According to my research, there aren't really any specific nga needs ang men o women when it comes to their hair. There are, however, specific needs depending on your hair type. Let's say if straight kag buhok, pulot kag buhok, colored kag buhok, or virgin imuhang buhok.
In terms of the soap, wala kaayo ko comment about it. I just smell a different way as compared to the floral or clean scent that I'm used to.
This is also some of my findings sa ako ang research. Ang babae nga sabon, mas daghan siyang added nga ingredients as compared to the men's soap. But mas mahal gihapon ang for the guys. So, I don't really know.
So, ang next product na akong i-try out na sad kay ang deodorant, which is specifically made for men. And we're just going to swipe it on my armpit.
And I actually did do the research to check if nabigay difference ang deodorant sa lalaki ug sa babae. And it came out that deodorant, whether labeled for men or for women, are actually all the same.
The next product na sad nga atong gamiton is this men's moisturizer. It really doesn't say anything on the packaging that lets me know why it's for men. So I have some of the product on my hand. Mura siyag. Char. But it feels the same. Okay ako eh.
Gamit ko sa moisturizer niya. Para maghapon ko. I felt completely normal. Mas importante pa na imuhang moisturizer is actually specific to your skin type rather than your sex.
I also found some of my husband's perfume and I'm going to use it today. Karaan kay siya baho eh. More siya kahoy. But let's use it! Lisod ba yan sa akong baba? Hapdos siya, uy. Natural yan eh.
Obviously, the only difference between men and women targeted nga perfume or cologne is really just the scent. So yeah. Towards the end of all of this, it was now time for me to take care of me. And ako na sa gisoyan ang mga produkto para sa lalaki. Specifically, men-targeted cleanser and men-targeted nga nose strips. So I used the cleanser for men and
tada! Natangtang naman ako makeup. Actually, mas may pa siya mutangtang og makeup kaysa sa kuuban na facial wash.
the same goes for the nose strips, which according to my research, really is just the same product for men and for women except in a different size because they are assuming that ang lalaki ra ang mas dako og now or ilong. But function-wise, it was able to remove any and all of my blackheads that were on my face. I learned from this experience, a lot of the times, if imuha jung tutukan ug maayo ang butang, makaingon ka nga pareha ra man ni siya, just in a different color, just with a different smell, just in a different packaging, but they all function the same way. I also really learned from this experience nga dili ko ganahan nga i-confine ako ang self based sa labels na gibutang, whether by other people or by products. If there's a product I like because of the smell, and whether it's labeled for men, I will still use it. If there are men out there who want to use products labeled for women, that's really none of my business as long as healthy tatanan and safe. I learned a lot when it comes to labels this week, and it's mostly to the labels. Who needs them? If you're happy, you do you, as long as you're safe and as long as you're not hurting anyone in the process. I hope that you enjoyed this video, Bayhanas, and I hope nga daghan sad bug nakatunan. And if you want to have more discussions like this, make sure to join the Bayhana community page, and of course, to follow Bay TV for more videos like this. You can also follow me on all my socials. I'm Issaplease and the Bayhana YouTube channel. I'll catch you in the next episode, Bayhanas. Bye!